currently working on a Jeep Wrangler JK rear axle project, and during this project we needed to remove the emergency brake cable from the rear axle hanger. This video is only focused on that area.
So I need to pull this out, get the tension off. So the best thing I did was hold on to this piece here and then pull it that way while I was pulling this out this way. It just popped right out.
This next part is focused on this spline stop that holds it on the rear hanger.
So I want to show you these pliers. I get these at Harbor Freight. You know, they kind of hose pliers, but this is one of their smaller ones. All right, so some people take, and you'll see different designs here, but some people take like a hose clamp and they'll put it on here, not too tight, but they'll put it on here enough to where it compresses this and slips through. The whole objective is compress this and let it slip through that hole. So I'm going to try to do this with one hand and hold the camera and see if it shows you what I'm doing. So I was compressing it with this grip, you know, see that kind of a circular grip to get everything compressed at the same time. And now I just need to move it forward. Sorry. There. I don't know why it was taking a while. Pushed it through, and then now take that cable and pull it out. And apologize, but that was with one hand, so hopefully that made sense.
This is a short video, but we appreciate you watching. Thank you.